Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a versatile household staple with numerous health and beauty benefits. This powerful ingredient has been cherished for centuries, dating back to 400 BC when Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used ACV to treat his patients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, ACV is also rich in acetic, citric, and malic acids, making it a potent natural remedy. ACV is renowned for its ability to kill germs, fight viruses, reduce swelling, eliminate fungi, treat colds, relieve muscle and arthritis pain, manage diabetes, lower high cholesterol, and aid in weight control. Beyond these remarkable health benefits, ACV has become a popular addition to beauty routines. To reap the maximum benefits, it's important to use raw, unfiltered ACV as it retains all of the original enzymes due to its non-pasteurized nature. Here are some of the top beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. Banish acne and breakouts. Acne and breakouts can be persistent issues, but ACV can help by killing germs and thoroughly cleaning your pores. This not only prevents acne and breakouts from forming, but also balances your skin's pH levels, reducing the chances of future flare-ups. Acts as a skin clarifier. ACV is especially beneficial for those with oily skin due to its ability to keep skin clean and pores clear. Its high concentration of alpha-hydroxy acids promotes blood circulation to the skin, reducing pore size and leaving your complexion fresh and revitalized. Get rid of dandruff for good. Dandruff is a common but often embarrassing condition, particularly during the dry winter months. ACV effectively combats dandruff by eliminating the fungi and germs that cause it. It also restores your scalp's pH balance and cleanses your hair follicles, reducing itchiness and unsightly flakes. Eliminate foot odor. Foot odor can be a bothersome issue, but the antimicrobial properties of ACV can help eradicate the germs and bacteria responsible for the unpleasant smell, leaving your feet feeling fresh and odor-free. Enhances hair shine and health. ACV is excellent for maintaining healthy hair, as it keeps your locks clean, strong, and shiny. It removes buildup from hairstyling products and ensures your scalp is free from dead and dry skin, promoting a vibrant and healthy shine. Restore nail brightness. Yellow or stained nails can be caused by various factors, including exposure to chemicals, smoking, or a poor diet. ACV, with its malic and acetic acids, can help restore your nails' natural color while also treating and preventing infections. Minimize cellulite appearance. Cellulite is a concern for many, and ACV can help reduce its appearance. By cleansing your pores and toning your skin, ACV can help diminish cellulite, which is caused by fat cells just beneath the skin's surface. Additionally, ACV aids in flushing out toxins and reducing water retention, making it an effective tool for weight loss and skin toning. To maximize these benefits, try consuming a mixture of ACV twice daily. This can help your body combat hormonal changes, a major contributor to weight gain. For more health tips, follow, like, and subscribe to our channel.